Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the HP docking model and updating its firmware. This fixes many compatibility kinks. Next, make sure your laptop supports dual external displays over the dock. Look for Thunderbolt or USB-C alternate mode, or discrete display port/HDMI lanes. Gather 2 monitor cables that match the dock ports and monitors. Once done, connect dock power and plug the dock into your laptop, but do not connect monitors yet. This order reduces detection errors and speeds initial enumeration. Now plug each monitor cable into the designated dock ports. Use DisplayPort first if available for higher bandwidth, then HDMI. Power on both monitors and manually select the matching input on each so the dock can handshake correctly. Once the laptop recognizes the dock, open your operating system's display settings to detect displays. Drag them to match physical placement and choose primary screen. If resolutions or refresh rates look wrong, change them to the monitor's native specs to avoid scaling issues. Finish by confirming drivers are current, GPU, docking station, and USB controller. Test both extended and mirrored modes so you know the behavior you want, then lock in native resolutions and refresh rates for stable output. If one monitor shows no signal or flickers, power cycle the dock and receipt cables. Sometimes swapping ports or using a certified cable resolves bandwidth negotiation. As a final tip, reboot the laptop with the dock connected. This forces a fresh hardware enumeration and often clears lingering detection problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.